As it is now, I'm not sure if Alipay is going to be allowing us to do a real name authentication. I mean, to verify our Alipay account with our international passports. Of course, this is what I get to discover. I think this back, I think maybe one week ago, right? When I'm trying to verify a Alipay account with my personal international passport. All right, so I discovered that they've removed the facial verification there for those who are registering and verifying their accounts. They've removed it. Once you open your Alipay account and you get to discover that you get to the stage where they ask you to do what? To do the facial verification. Once you do the facial verification, they are going to remove it directly. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this, my name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, how you can make money online, and most especially on importation and exportation training. Okay, so what I bring into the table today is I can call it a bad news, and at the same time is an update, right? You should always know that this is what I do on a daily basis. When I see anything that I just discover, I'll just go online to update you guys. So of recently, last week, I get to discover that Alipay has new developments. Okay, so they don't want maybe African people, Europe continent to do what? To verify Alipay account. Maybe they don't want us to use it anymore. I think 2 months ago or 3 months ago, we get to discover that okay, we can use our ATM card to pay, isn't it? They roll out the new features that we can now use our ATM card to pay, and also they roll out another feature on 1688. If you get to discover it, I've recorded the video on we using our ATM card to make a payment on 1688, isn't it? So I think that's the new feature. So I think these people actually know what they are doing. They want to scrap maybe the uses of Alipay for those people who are outside of China. Yes, I am talking with experience. So now I wanted to verify my Alipay account. I thought the issue is from only me alone. Okay, so I now wanted to verify my international I want to verify my Alipay account with my international passport. So I now get to discover, after setting up the requirements, like I've set up my number, login password, I've set up everything. It now remains where I'm going to be using my facial verification, right? Where I'm going to be using my face to capture and verify, which is the real name authentication. You know, if we don't do that, there is no way we can do it, right? There's no way we can verify Alipay. So now in this case, after I verify it once, I get to discover that okay, this thing now remove that option directly. It now tells me to bind a Chinese card. I was like, I'm not a Chinese citizen, so I thought it's a normal thing. So the next thing for me to do is just to speak with their customer service on Alipay. So if you don't know how to speak with their customer service, I'll leave the video under the description button, so you can learn how to speak with their customer service. So I now speak with their customer service. Now the lady was like telling me that okay, this feature is no longer available for Europe, the Europe continent, the Europe countries like maybe UK, Germany, those Europe countries. So I said I wasn't in Europe. I told them I wasn't in Europe, I was in Africa. So I said I'm not having these features again. Immediately my account was restricted again. I was like, I'm still dealing with one. Another one comes in. To cut the long story short, they have removed the facial verification on Alipay account. There was this my student that also told me that she's facing the same issue. 2 to 3 people have contacted me regarding this same issue I was witness. Although I was able, at the end of the day, I was able to verify my Alipay after a whole lot of stress. So I think they are trying to bring this thing down. Now, looking at toll card, we all know that Nigerians and African countries can also use toll card before, which is toll pass. Now they've scrapped it off. I'm going to be showing you after I end, or before I end this tutorial, I'm going to share the screenshots on the screen where I tried to use my toll card and it wasn't showing at all. That's the first thing. Then secondly, my conversation with this customer service, I'm going to share with you after this video. I'm going to share with you, or in this video, what they say about these services. She was like telling me to add my international card, or I should use my card to go and make payment on maybe on Idle Fish or on 1688 or on Taobao. I said I wanted to verify my account. I was able to do that. If you want to learn how I was able to do that, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp or on Instagram. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. I don't know if you are also experiencing such and how you are able to verify it. So you can let us know how you are able to resolve it under the comment section if you also find yourself in this situation. All right, so before I round up the video, you I don't know if you are also interested in joining my TikTok course. Okay, I've put together in my new tutorial in my new TikTok course on how you can create a TikTok account that you can be able to monetize, just like your Facebook page, your YouTube account. How we are able to monetize it? Yes, you can now monetize and you can now start running adverts on TikTok too. So this is what I've put together in as a course. So if you're interested, you can just do or to join me. If you want to learn how to run adverts, right, with your local ATM card, how you can start paying and reach billions of subscribers, billions of people on TikTok. Okay, so if you're interested, just reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'll be able to assist and guide you on things you need to know. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.